this week, back on Building Southern Idaho, we go back and take another look outside at pouring concrete. I know I've stressed it before, but I just want to show it again on what we do for outside concrete and talk to Marshall Bishop, which is our guy that does all our flat work, and talk to him about what we do. When pouring the concrete, we always like to use rebar in the slab. Marshall, what are other things I always like to do? One, the main thing I always ask for.
You like to put a beauty edge around the concrete.
Yep, what do we always do inside the concrete? Always.
I always put rebar in there for extra strength.
So here we are, Marshall. We've poured the whole entire driveway. You got what, over 200 yards, around 200 yards in this driveway?
About 250.
And it's taken you, what, about 2 weeks total, in between doing several other jobs that you've done?
Yes. So
he did a job, he's done a couple other jobs for us during this time, worked for a couple other people, poured 200 yards, and still maintains 3x3 to 4x4 cubes inside here using the 3/8 bar grid. They lift it up as they pour. Every slab's tied together, and then they go back. If you can see here, Matt, we go back and then they cut the middle of this with a concrete saw so that we keep the nice broom finish and we don't have an ugly tooled edge to get that rounded look going around the driveway. So it keeps everything in small cubes. Tune in next week as we talk about some tips on an inside kitchen and look at some ceilings. I'm Mike Shetler with Building Southern Idaho.